Jewelweed is an annual plant, 3 to 5 feet. It is used for skin problems. The leaves and the flowers are used for skin problems. You crush leaves and place them on your skin where you had, for example, poison ivy rash. Cherokee, so the Native Americans rubbed on a child abdomen for sour stomach. Leaf tea taken to treat measles. The juice of 7 flowers should be rubbed on poison ivy rash. Can be used fresh or alcohol tincture. So you place leaves in a pot and above it you place alcohol. Over 42 degree, 90 degree, it's better. So these are different pictures of this plant. It also called touch me not. Okay. Where this plant grow? In soil that is not very so it does not need very good soil. It's also it's found in wet, shady, limey soil. Okay, it's specific for northern and eastern North America. What part you use? Remove few leaves from the plant. Begin crushing them in your hand. When you feel the jewelweed sap release from leaves, rub the leaves on the affected area. Jewelweed also have eatable uses. The shot can be eaten. The shoots can be eaten in the early spring, and the flowers and leaves and stems can be eaten in the summer. People take jewelweed by mouth to treat mild digestive disorder as well as rashes caused by poison ivy. Some people apply jewelweed directly to the skin. What can I do with dried jewelweed? It's commonly used in tincture, fresh poultry, salves, and handmade soaps. Some recipes combine the astringent property of the fresh plantain with anti-itching property of jewelweed to pack a powerful punch against outdoor skin irritating encounters. Another name is touch me not. Native American used the plant medicinally by using the sap from the stem and leaves to relieve pain and itching from many ailments, including poison ivy, hives, stinging nettle. How do you collect it? If you find a stand of jewelweed, stop and see if they are ripe. If you hold a pod in your hand, if it's ready, will pop open, expelling the seed in your hand. Collect only a few seeds at each spot. So you don't have to destroy or take everything from nature. You have to leave, to take what you need and leave the rest to in nature to be multiply and to be used for the next year. There are also yellow jewelweed. The flowers of jewelweed are orange in the impatient capensis species, which is also called spotted jewelweed, impatiens padilla or Paul jewel mostly have so, and there are also yellow flowers. And also they come in white form. Can you drink jewelweed tea? A fresh decoction will only last most a week in the fridge. You can dry jewelweed and make your tea when needed. Although fresh plant is better. So again, the leaves and stems are eatable. So this was my presentation for today. I'm Liliana Ushvat. Thank you for your time.